Hi friends, this is a fun book called The Foot Book by Dr. Seuss. Here's our little friend Cat in the Hat. Left foot, right foot, right. Feet in the morning, feet at night. Left foot, right. Wet feet, dry feet. Low feet, high feet. Front feet, back feet. Red feet, black feet. Have you noticed that these are mostly opposite words? Left foot, right foot, feet. How many feet you meet. Slow feet, quick feet, trick feet, sick feet. Up feet, down feet. Here come clown feet. Small feet, big feet. Here come pig feet. His feet, her feet, fuzzy fur feet. I bet these tickle. In the house and on the street, how many feet you'll meet. Up in the air feet, over a chair feet. More and more feet, 24 feet. Here come more and more feet. Left foot, right foot, feet. Oh, how many feet you meet. Can you count all the feet at your home? See how many are there? Bye, friends.